Stockouts cost sales, but most merchants only notice when inventory is already gone. Ask Shopify Sidekick to build a flow that watches every inventory update and alerts purchasing at the reorder point. Sidekick drafts the workflow and explains the trigger, threshold check, and email action. Open the flow preview. The trigger runs whenever a product variant inventory quantity changes. The condition passes when current stock reaches 15 or below, while previous stock was above 15. This threshold crossing check prevents duplicate alerts. The email action includes liquid variables for the product variant, SKU, current stock, previous stock, and product link. Replace the placeholder recipient with your purchasing team address. Add the workflow to the store. Then turn on the workflow. Reduce the trail running jacket inventory from 18 units to 15. The purchasing inbox receives the reorder alert. Open the email and review the product SKU stock levels and admin link.